Welcome to Team Access Overview. To access the tool on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down to Business Center. We're going to look for Team Access. This is a great tool if you've got a team of people that are helping you build websites or manage your clients, and you don't necessarily want to give them access to everything. So to add a member, we're going to click on Add Team Member. We're going to type in the member's name, and we're going to click on Save. Now you will see that we've got a little tool icon right here. You're going to click on that icon and you're going to choose what they have access to. So if I click on Webinar Builder, for an example, it means that they will have access to all the websites within the Webinar Builder. I can also choose to give access to all, and you can see that there's different ones right there. All you need to do then is close it. You can also choose to edit the name and you can delete it. And then on the left hand side, there is a status bar. Green means it's active, and if they log in, they would be able to get access to your site. If you slide it, it means they will be taken away. Now, you have to remember to give this key, copy this key, and give it to the person that is going to log into your account. They will need your account details as the email and the key that you've just given them right there, and they're going to tick Team Access and then sign in. If they don't do it that way, they will not get the access. And that's basically all there is to Team Access. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in another.